How to hide following list on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can hide your following list from certain people on Instagram. So let's get started. Now what you can do is there is no specific way that you will be able to just hide your following list on Instagram. Unfortunately, this option is not available, but I do have some options for you that you can use. So the first thing is that you will go to your profile right here, and then you can go to your following list or your follower list. Now, following is the people we follow. We want to hide this one right here. So let's say that I want to hide my list from a certain friend. So I'll just open up their profile, and now what I can do is I can just click on these three dots right here, and it will open up some options for me. Here, if I block this person, they won't be able to see my following or my followers or my post. So that is the first thing that you can do. But now, if you do not want to block them, then what you can do is you can restrict them. And then there will be few of the things that they won't be able to see, and they will be restricted from your profile. And you can actually unrestrict them anytime you want. So this is the way we can actually hide our following. Another thing that we can do is if our account is private, if your account is not private right now, then if you make it private, then your following will be hidden from the people who are not your followers. So right now, only three people can see my following. This is just a test account right here. So only these people can see my following, not other people, because I have a private account. And if you want to, switch to a public account, you can just go to settings, go to privacy, and you can change your setting from here, and you can make your account private. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.